welcome to Topper Talks. So, how are you?
Fine.
Okay, so Topper Talks is basically an initiative by Vedantu wherein we try to explore the personality of any topper so that the same could motivate rest of the students also, right? And also it helps us in knowing that particular topper in a better sense, and it also enables us to chalk down the whole academic scheduling for that particular student, right? So that we are in position to help him in the right manner. Chaliye. So, Aman, you are such a nice scholar and you are a maths champ. As I can see, you have qualified Shargan Geometry Olympiad and you are a winner of 41st International Tournament of Towns also. So, I would like to start from the recent achievement of yours, right? Tell me something about this 41st International Tournament of Towns. How you have performed so well in this particular, you can say, contest.
So this international tournament of towns is very similar to like INMO or any other mathematical Olympiad in India. So it consists of two stages. One stage is the O level. The O level consists of 5 problems, and the O level is easier. And the second round is the A level. They both occur on like a 2 weeks gap. So there is a 2 weeks gap between the two rounds, and the A level consists of 7 problems, and it is much tougher than the O level. And from each round, the best 3 problems are considered.
Okay, okay. So this is one of the recent achievement, I would say. But what about rest of the things? What all you have achieved in mathematics up till now?
So, like I have won the Sharigan Geometry Olympiad, and I have been invited to the finals in Russia of 2021.
Okay,
And like I have also been giving these RMO and other mathematical Olympiads. I've also qualified Zonal Informatics Olympiad, which is also a kind of mathematical Olympiad, and I appeared in Indian National Olympiad of Informatics. And I have also, there was one exam conducted by the Chennai Mathematical Institute called STEMS. I also cleared that. There was also one exam conducted by Indian Statistical Institute, Limit. I cleared that as well. And I attended the camp, like the camps conducted by both these institutes. And yeah,
yeah.
these were
So
the.
in short, I am talking about I am talking to a mathematical wizard, right? So you are a maths wizard, I would say, right? Good to know that. A big list of mathematical achievements. So should I say you are the next Shakuntala Devi or you are the next Aryabhatta of India? Okay, it's long way, I would say, but it's a very good path which you have chosen, and you are doing really very well in mathematics. But here, I would like to ask you one question: when you are doing so many things in concern to mathematics, how you are justifying the rest of the subjects?
Sir, so like as I'm in ninth grade, so the other subjects are not very difficult. Like I can manage them. So most of the time I devote to mathematics only. But like when the exams are approaching, I start the preparation 1 month prior, and I devote the time to other subjects as well. And yeah, so I am able to manage both of these things.
Okay, great. So you are enrolled in which all batches at Vedanta Olympiad School?
So currently I am in RMO batch, in
Okay.
NSCS batch,
Pardon? After RMO?
so NSCGS.
Okay, NSEJS. Okay.
And so, yeah, so I'm currently including these two.
So I would like to know that as you are in habit of doing so much of maths on day-to-day basis, ये journey शुरू कब हुई थी? Means how you have developed your this love for mathematics, and in particular class you started going ahead of your peers in concern to mathematics. How it
So,
I would like to know that.
so like in my school, the awareness about mathematics is already very high. So, in from fifth standard only, they start to like they make us participate in many mathematical olympiads. Like there is in our region only, there is an Aryabhatta mathematics competition wherein a team of 10 students go to represent the school. So like I got the exposure of mathematics from fifth class only. Then like I started loving maths. I from fifth, sixth, seventh, and mainly I got to know about this Olympiad mathematics thing from in seventh grade. And from seventh grade, I started doing mathematics as my main subject.
Okay, very good. So, will you be targeting any formal thing like engineering or medical in future, or you would be going for research in mathematics only?
So like I'm still in doubt about this, but most of I think that I would be going in research.
Okay, okay, great to know that. Okay, Aman, मुझे थोड़ा सा बताइए, who all are there in your family?
So there is my brother, my mom, and my father.
And you have got a younger brother?
Yes, like
So
we are twins.
you are twins. Okay, okay. And how good he is in studies?
He is also good.
He is also good. Okay, so there is a family competition going on between two brothers.
Yes.
What's his name?
Sir Rehan Khan.
Okay, okay, okay. So now tell me one thing. Now you are doing so good in mathematics. तो आपके parents are in habit of poking or they just say, अरे यार ये तो खुद ही पढ़ रहा है इसको कुछ कहने की जरूरत नहीं.
Sir, like when I'm not focused on other subjects, then they are scolding me, but otherwise they are not. Otherwise, they are not.
Oh, means a maths wizard is also in habit of getting a scolding from parents.
Yes.
Okay, okay. Good to know that. Fine. So, Aman, I would like to know what is one USP which you would like to highlight in concern to Vedantu. Means अगर मैं वेदांतु का आपसे एक USP पूछूं, एक स्पेशलिटी, तो what it will be?
Sir, I personally found the batches of these RMO and like other mathematical Olympiads very good. Like like I am currently being taught by Abhay Majan sir, and he teaches really well. Like he has also helped me improve a lot. And the practice papers, given the mock test conducted by Vilandu, they are also very good.
Okay, great. Now I have one more question. Like you are doing all your preparation through this online mode at Vedantu, right? So
Yes,
what is your take on this? Means how you have built your love for online coaching or online learning? Means you are comfortable with all this?
yes, sir. Sir, I feel that online coaching is better than offline coaching because in online coaching you can also interact with the teacher live, ask your doubts, and the teacher also, because there is a lesser number of students, so the teacher also focuses on you very well. And these mock tests are absolutely amazing because Vedantu also offers some rewards which gives the students the enthusiasm to participate in the contest.
Okay, okay, great to know that. Fine, Aman, I have one more question. I know you are a very busy person and you devote all your time to studies only, but if by chance you have to go for a time pass, what it will be?
Sir, I like to play like sports, and I also like to play some music.
Okay,
And
great. Which sort of music and which sort of sport?
sir, sports I personally like basketball and
Okay.
cricket also, but in music I like to play piano and guitar.
So are you in habit of going for some sport on daily basis or it is like occasionally, it happens occasionally?
Sir, like currently I'm not able to play much because of coronavirus, but like before this I used to play regularly.
Okay. So you were in basketball team.
Sir, yes, sir, I was at some point in my school team, but then I dropped because like it was taking a lot of time.
Okay. You are
But
studying in which school?
sir, Delhi Public School, Faridabad.
Okay, great, great. That's a very prestigious school. I've heard a lot about that school. Right, good to know that. Yeah, you are in DPS Faridabad. Fine. So, what are your parents doing? Both parents are working. Means mother and father both are working.
No, sir, my mother is not working, my father is working.
Okay. So your father is working at which place?
Sir, NHPC.
Okay, great, great, great. Fine, Aman. It's great to know the journey of Aman Khan in concern to mathematics love. But I would like to know if you have to motivate someone to learn more of mathematics, how you would be doing that.
Sir, like many students study for Olympiads to crack Olympiads, but I would say that don't study to crack Olympiads. Study to explore the beauty of mathematics. Mathematics has a lot of beauty in it, and if you study with your heart, I'm sure you would also crack Olympiads as well as you would enjoy studying mathematics.
Okay, great, great, great. So, what is your next target? You would be targeting INMO now, or the first stage will be the different one now? Because pre-RMO, RMO has been about
Yes, sir. Sir,
you
the
would be going for
IOQ.
IOQM. So, you would be targeting IOQM and then you would be targeting INMO.
Yes.
Right, right. And you are geared up for the same? You feel you
Yes.
well prepared for the same?
Yes.
Okay, great, great to know that. Anything else which you like to tell about yourself, about your personality, which audience would be interested in knowing? जो नहीं पता होगा और उनके लिए भी सरप्राइज होगा.
Sir, like nothing special in my personality. I'm just another kid, but yeah, I just love mathematics. That's it.
Okay, okay.
I'm
Great.
very similar to the others.
Okay, okay. Great, great, Aman. You are a very humble kid, right? It's really good to talk to you, and I assure you that Vedanta Olympiad School would be helping you in achieving all your academic goals, whatever it be. It could be IOQM, RMO, or oh, sorry, INMO, or anything else, whichever you would be targeting, right? And I wish you all the best from Vedantu side, and I also thank you for participating in this Toppers Talks initiative. I hope that your talk will be a motivating thing for lot many listeners, and they would be getting lot of inspiration, because these days many students are in habit of having a phobia from mathematics, and you are totally reverse of that. So your story will be an inspiring story for them, right? Because you have started in 7th class and now in 9th class you are excelling like anything. So it's just a 2 years transformation, a very short period of transformation. Great, Arman. Thanks a lot. Thanks for telling us about yourself, right? And we wish you all the best, right? Thanks for becoming the part of Topper Stocks. Thank you.
Thanks.